I'm Alex. Today I'm going to break the front leg hook kick down in 3 simple steps. Now let's get started. Alright guys, let's break this front leg hook kick down. The only prerequisite that I recommend that you have down is just a front leg side kick, kind of towards your face level, because that's going to help you kind of get the hooking motion down, especially towards your head. So step number 1 is going to be just practicing, basically just lifting your front leg up towards your head. Think of holding like a side kick chamber, lifting straight up, which looks like this. Straight up. So you're going to do front leg, lift straight up towards your head. Step number 2 is going to be practicing the hook motion, which is going to look like this. So I'm going to hold on to Bob here. He's going to help me, give me some assistance. All you're going to do is just chamber like you're going to throw a side kick, extend out like you're going to throw a side kick, and then you're going to hook. Here. It goes out, hook, back. Straight out, hook, back. And then step number 3 is going to be putting all those together. So all you're going to do, lift, leg goes out like a side kick, hook across, put your foot down. Just like that. Once again, straight up, hook, down. Think of like a side kick towards the face, you hook it across, put your foot back on the ground. And that's your hook kick in 3 simple steps. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to let me know what other kicks you would like to see me break down in 3 steps in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and if you guys would like a one-on-one private lesson with me, make sure to visit alexwongtkd.com for more details. I'll see you guys in the next video.